Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Reels to multiple Facebook pages. So to start, open Facebook. Now click Reels button at the bottom and find the reel you want to share. Once you find it, tap the share icon in the bottom right corner. So it's the curved arrow, click on it. Next, so at the bottom under share to, you can swipe and look for page or pages. Once you see page, click on it. Now at the top, beside your name, you can click that arrow and choose the destination. So select the page or pages. Then say something about this reel. So you can add caption, you can change the visibility. So this post will be visible to everyone. You can add location. Once you're ready, click post. Then repeat the process for each additional page.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So again, just look for the reel and tap the arrow icon in the bottom right corner. Then go to the bottom. So swipe it and look for page and click on it. Then tap your name at the top and click this arrow to select the destination, add caption, and click post. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.